how to create ads on Facebook. So the first step is to log into your Facebook Ads Manager and simply go to your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager, and you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you would be able to find the Ads Manager. From here, open the Meta Ads Manager account, and you would be prompted to the sign up page. And after you have completed sign up and your account has been verified, you would be able to find your account here. And from there, you need to add your payment method. To add payment method, go to settings, go to payment settings, select add payment method, and from here select your payment method and click on next. From here, give your card details or PayPal details and click on save, and your payment details will be saved. And after that, go to campaigns, click on create, select your buying type and your campaign objective, and after that you can continue. Now I'm going to go with a manual engagement campaign and click on continue. The campaign name will be test. Now that, click on next. Now the main part is to find a suitable content. If you want your target audience to message you, you should simply select messaging app. If you want your target audience to watch your videos or your ad, simply go for on your ad. If you want your target audience to call you, simply tap on calls. Or if you want to redirect your audiences to your website, go for the website. And if you want to increase views or engagement on your Facebook page, simply select Facebook page. And after that, go to engagement type, select the type of post or the engagement type that you want. And after that, go to budget and scheduling, and also you can select your audience and click on next. And under the ad setup, you can use your existing post or you can create a new post. And after you have added all the required creative assets, you can simply select publish and your ad will be published. And this is how you can sponsor ads on Facebook.